Welcome to Skyway Classics YouTube channel with Shane and Nyla.
Hey guys.
Here today to show you 1976 Pontiac Trans Am with the 455 motor in it with a 4-speed manual transmission. Car has power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. It has an over-the-top metal flake paint job.
Yes.
This is probably one of the nicest paint jobs I've seen on any car in a long time. All the gold hood is actually not a decal on this car. It's actually airbrush painted.
Yep. I'm gonna close up in the sun a little bit so you can see it better because it looks black. The car looks black, but when you get up close to it, it's got the gold metal flake, which is just awesome. Look at that.
The interior is beautiful. The car runs good, sounds good. It's one of the nicest 70 model Trans Ams we've had. We've had a lot.
So nice. I love the paint.
Comes with some stuff in the trunk. I see a car cover. I see
yeah, it's got a bunch of extra like accessories. Speakers. There's some flags, a decorative pillow
for when you want to work on it.
I think it had its speakers replaced. It's got a car cover there and there, so it's got a couple different things. Some stuff in the trunk too, so it comes with some goodies, you know.
The rear window louvers are super cool. Love those.
Nice car. All right, we're gonna see what it's got.
Let's go burn the tires off it.
Alrighty, stay tuned, guys. I struggled there for a second. I could barely reach the pedals. Looking good and sounding better. All right.
76 455 big block Pontiac Trans Am with a 4-speed manual transmission. The 70 model Trans Ams are probably my very favorite classic car. I absolutely love these cars. I forgot to see if it had this brake version on the front or not, but the brakes feel good. It does have power brakes. Oops, reverse. Sorry, guys. So you gotta love getting in the car for the first time.
Right.
Not knowing the shifting pattern. I was in forward. Sorry about that.
I know, we don't have many times to trial run,
I haven't
so.
driven the car yet. I should have drove it first.
You get
But it does shift.
Yes.
It's just user error. Got a good water gauge, got a good temperature gauge, good RPMs, good speedometer, good fuel gauge, good full gauge. So apparently all your gauges are working. Board's blowing.
Sounds good. Super cool car.
I really like this one.
Yeah. The paint job is immaculate. So please come check it out for yourself. Skyway Classics. And I will do another video of the undercarriage in just a second. Thank you for tuning in.